Ever pondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world of graphic design? The fusion of AI and graphic design is transforming the creative landscape, pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved in art and design. Consider platforms like Easel. They leverage AI to offer customizable design templates and elements, providing a new layer of originality and efficiency to the work of designers. This technological advancement empowers designers to elevate their creative expression and captivate audiences in unprecedented ways. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, graphic designers find themselves with more time to concentrate on the strategic and creative aspects of their work. This shift necessitates an evolution of roles and skill sets, with designers needing to acquire new skills that complement AI. Skills such as data analysis, human-centric design thinking, and interdisciplinary communication become crucial. Embrace AI as a tool for creative problem-solving, and you'll find yourself exploring novel solutions and pushing the boundaries of creativity. However, the key to the future of graphic design lies not in replacement, but in collaboration, a harmonious marriage of human creativity and AI. By leveraging AI for tasks like ideation, image editing, and personalized design recommendations, designers can amplify their creative capabilities. Yet the human touch remains irreplaceable, infusing emotion and depth into designs that resonate deeply with audiences. In this rapidly evolving field, staying updated on technological advancements and the ethical use of AI in design is crucial. Issues like authenticity, plagiarism, bias, and privacy must be carefully considered to ensure the creative process remains respectful and inclusive. AI in graphic design brings potentials like immersive experiences and increased efficiency, but it also presents challenges such as job displacement and the risk of homogenization. Ethical dilemmas around copyright protection and the cultural impact of AI-generated content are also part of this new landscape. So, as we stand at the cusp of a new era in graphic design, it's clear that AI-generated art offers both opportunities and challenges. Designers who navigate this space thoughtfully, embracing AI as an inspiration rather than a replacement, will unlock the full potential of this technological revolution. The future of graphic design, enriched by AI, promises a world where creativity knows no bounds. So why not explore AI-based graphic design tools and see where they can take your creativity? The future is here, and it's waiting for you to shape it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's continue exploring the fascinating world of AI and graphic design together.